Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a cordless weed eater or weed whacker that is perfect for maintaining your yard. So this was sent over by a company called Lawn Master, and here it is. One of the big things I love about this thing is how compact it gets when you are putting it away for storage. It has an adjustable height, so that way, no matter what height you are, I'm 6 foot, you can easily extend it, makes it super comfortable. You can basically pick any position you want in between here, which is absolutely great. Now, it does, like I said, this thing is fully customable. So if you are just go ahead and utilizing it on the ground, perfect. But let's say all of a sudden you want to do some edging, there is a little button here, simply do that and then twist it, and now it is at a 90-degree angle. So very flexible as far as utilizing it, does everything. It also has an adjustable guard here, so that way you can make sure you have a nice clean edge if you wish, but it can get out of the way if it bothers you. The end point of the head has 5 positions. Simply press this little button here on the side, and then you can simply adjust the position that you want. So once again, fully customizable and flexible. On the other side, you're gonna have a handle. Also, once again, you can easily adjust this to whatever width you want, or not width, but angle, so that way it's super comfortable to hold. Now, this whole entire weed whacker itself is super lightweight. This thing is under 6 pounds, and that is included when you have the battery on here. So as you can see, it is a 24 volt, it is a 2 AH battery, so you have plenty of battery life to do your full yard in a run. How I like to do it is I just go ahead and utilize the battery. There is a button that tells you how much battery life is on it. Once I'm done doing my yard, I just go ahead and then plug it back in so it's fully charged for the next run. But I've not had to charge this battery up between uses, so it's not like I have to stop mid mowing of my yard to go ahead, or mid weed whacking my yard to go ahead and charge this up. Now, in addition to all this is going to be explained in the user manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. But you're also going to get this little wheel stabilizer. So if you are doing like a curb edge or something like that, and you want an even line, make it a little bit easier for you, they do include this wheel stabilizer. You can just simply put this on the pole unit. As far as the actual cable itself, this is pretty standard cable. It is 0.065 of an inch of cable. There is one in the unit itself, and then they're gonna include 3 additional spares for you. Obviously, you can just buy the cable to refill yourself, as long as you save the little black housing pieces, or you can go ahead and get more if you need to. It is auto-fed cabling, so you don't have to get down here or mess with it or anything like that. There is a button here on the side that you can press to pull it out if you need to, but every time you turn on and off the device, it will go ahead and extend it. So if you all of a sudden lose a big chunk of cable, just simply turn on and off the device until it gets back to that desired length. There is a little cable trimmer, obviously, on the edge little guard here. Once you get it, all you have to do is attach the little shield guard and attach the handle, and it's good to absolutely go. But very comfortable to utilize, very easy to hold. You have a rubber grip here at the end with obviously the safety switch. Very comfortable when utilizing it. That's one of the big things I can't stress about this enough is they thought of all the little elements of making it very flexible. So you can ditch those heavy gas ones where you have to go to the gas station, where you have to mix the other oils and whatnot, and then they're also super loud. This is a lot quieter, a lot easier to utilize. They've come a long way. So if you're in the market for a new weed whacker, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.